Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming the guest editions or VM tools are installed, because full screen depends on proper drivers. Install or update them now, reboot if prompted. Next, enable 3D acceleration and set video memory to recommended levels so the VM can scale. Make sure the host's display resolution and scaling match what you want in full screen. Mismatches cause blurriness or black bars. Once done, you're ready to switch display modes. You now switch the VM to full screen using the VM Applications View menu or the Host key plus F shortcut. That immediately expands the window. If the guest desktop looks wrong, change the in-guest display resolution to match the host resolution, which forces a crisp layout. Enable the auto-resize or dynamic resolution option in the VM settings so the guest follows host size automatically. Doing that prevents future manual tweaks and keeps scaling correct when you change monitors. You finish by checking that input capture and cursor integration work. Move the mouse and press Host key to release. If the screen is black, flicker, or shows wrong scaling, toggle full screen off and on, then reboot the guest. Reinstalling guest tools usually fixes drive-related problems, and updating host GPU drivers resolves performance issues. If you use multiple monitors, make sure the VM is assigned to the correct display. That prevents the VM from spanning or using the wrong resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.